What's up, ladies and gentlemen of Truckers Wall Shame Unchained? I have a message for both four-wheelers and truck drivers alike. If you're a four-wheeler that's traveling down the interstate, probably not a good idea to pass a truck that's on fire. Just gonna throw that out there. This old camera car right here, he's gonna learn that valuable lesson in stunning detail. Now, if you're the truck driver in this video, it's pretty clear that you haven't been checking your mirrors in a long time, because who couldn't see a bunch of fire coming off the back of their trailer? Fucking just throwing that out there, man. You could have prevented this by simply pulling over and checking your mirrors. Just saying. Guys, all I can say is this. Safety first on those highways and byways. And as always, don't be a complete dumbass going down the highway 73s.